How to buy RHUN capital token. So this token came under the symbol of RHUN. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before you invest in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on CoinGecko. Just go there and find it. So click here to copy the token address. And after that, open your fund to wallet for that. This token address sits under the Solana network. Click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. Now here you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, but make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face any issue, just go back to this page, switch the slip hash from here or custom because the most of the issues came from the slip hash. And after that, go and you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy RHUN capital token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.